Did you know that many commercial skincare brightening serum contains chemicals that can actually damage your skin in the long run? But what if I told you that you can make your very own natural serum at home using just 3 powerful ingredients that are sitting in your kitchen right now? Sound exciting, right? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am guiding you on how to create your very own natural skin brightening toner at home. Not only is it budget friendly, but it's also free from harmful chemicals, and I promise your skin is going to love it. If you have been struggling with dullness, uneven skin tone, or those stubborn dark spots, then stick with me because this video is exactly what you need. Let's be honest, we've all had all those mornings where we wake up, look into the mirror and our skin just looks blah, dull, tired, uneven. Maybe you've noticed dark spots from old acne scars or hyperpigmentation from too much sun. It can be really frustrating, especially when we are spending money on fancy serums that promise instant results but end up leaving us disappointed, or worse, irritating our skin with chemicals and artificial fragrances. That's why today, instead of reaching for another overpriced bottle, we are going all natural, because guess what? Nature already gave us some of the most powerful skin brightening ingredients we could ever need, and the best part, you probably already have them in your kitchen. So let's talk about the star ingredients in our homemade skin brightening serum: turmeric. This golden spice isn't just for cooking. It contains a compound called curcumin, which is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It helps fight dark spots, reduce pigmentation, and brighten dull skin. Fun fact: turmeric has been used in Indian skincare rituals for centuries to achieve glowing, radiant skin. Lemon juice. This one is probably no stranger to you. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which is well known for its skin brightening effect. It helps lighten dark spots, even out skin tone, and gives your skin a fresh, radiant glow. Think of it as your natural vitamin C serum, straight from nature. Aloe vera gel. Now, if turmeric and lemon are the superheroes, aloe vera is the sidekick that keeps everything balanced. It's super hydrating, calming, and soothing. It prevents the lemon juice from being too harsh, reduces irritation, and keeps your skin nourished. Together, these three ingredients form a dream team: brightening, soothing, hydrating, and restoring your skin's natural glow. Okay, enough talk. Let me guide you on how to make this serum. What you will need: 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, either fresh from the leaf or store-bought, but make sure it's pure and free from added chemicals. How to mix it up: add 1 tablespoon of turmeric into a clean bowl. Squeeze it into 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. This is going to give our serum its powerful brightening effects. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. This will help create a smooth, soothing texture and balance the mixture. Mix, mix, mix. You will see the color turn into a lovely golden yellow, and the texture smooth, creamy, and perfect for applying to the skin. Now, how do you use it? Apply a thin layer to clean skin. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. And just like that, you have a natural homemade skin brightening serum. Use this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Here are some tips and warnings. Now, before you run off to splatter this on your face, here are a few important tips. 1. Patch test first. Lemon can be a little strong on sensitive skin, so always test it on a small area before applying it to your whole face. 2. Don't leave it overnight because of the lemon. This is not an overnight serum. Wash it off after 15 minutes. 3. Sun protection is a must. Since lemon makes your skin more sensitive to the sun, always apply sunscreen during the day if you are using this serum regularly. If you make a bigger batch, store it in the fridge for up to a week. The coolness will make it even more soothing when you apply it. And here is a fun little hack. If you want an even more powerful serum, you can add a few drops of rose water or vitamin E oil to the mix. It boosts hydration and gives your skin that extra healthy look. I have personally struggled with uneven skin tone and little patches of pigmentation, especially around my cheeks, and I started using this serum. I noticed my skin not only looked brighter but it also felt smoother and calmer, and the fact that I made it myself using natural ingredients just make it even more satisfying. Honestly, sometimes skincare is less about spending big money and more about using what nature already gave us, and this serum is a proof of that. So with just 3 simple ingredients, turmeric, lemon juice and aloe vera gel, you can create a natural skin brightening serum right at home. It's easy, effective and affordable, and best of all, safe for your skin when used correctly. Now, I want to hear from you. Will you be trying this DIY serum? Drop a comment down below and tell me how it worked for your skin. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more natural skincare hacks and check out my other videos for more ways to glow from the inside out. Until next time, keep shining.